Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're getting a little bit spooky. I have spider webs in my background, and you guys guessed it, this is going to be not really a Halloween tutorial because I'm not dressing up. But today I'm going to be reviewing the new Colourpop collection. It is the Hocus Pocus Witching Hour collection. So I'm ready to jump right into all the new products I have today. So let's get started. So first, before I start my eye look, I want to kind of run through all the products that I have here today. So starting with the products that I won't be really applying to my face. We got this cute little mirror. It is a mirror shaped like a cat. You guys know that in Hocus Pocus there's a black cat in the movie. I think his name is Salem. I'm saying I think, but I love Hocus Pocus. Like, I love that movie and I haven't watched it yet. Like, it's halfway through October now and I haven't watched Hocus Pocus. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, on the back of the mirror it says, "I shall always be with you." It is a really cute mirror. So moving on into another product. The next product is a spider face stamp, and then when you open, you can see the outline of the spider. Now for the actual makeup. This collection did come with 3 Super Shock shadows, and I'm going to show you guys them one at a time because I can't hold up all 3, duh. So the first shade is called To Be Young and Beautiful Again. The second shade is Don't Thou Comprehend. And the third shade is Forever Bewitching. And now I think I'm just going to swatch these on my hand because I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use these shades or not, but I want you guys to see them. So here are my 3 swatches, and I just want to say, based off my fingers, this formula, I mean, like, I think we all know that Colourpop has really good Super Shock shadows anyways, but you know, sometimes things change, and I just want to say I don't think the formula has changed at all. And here's an up close look of the swatches. Aside from the Super Shock shadows today, we have 3 lip colors, and I don't know if these are glosses. Okay, so they're actually lip creams. The first shade is called Tonight We Fly. Then we have Hello Boys and Calming Circles. And last but not least, we have the palette today. The palette is called Witching Hour, and the cover of it looks like this. So here are all the different shades. And I'm so hyped, you guys. I know last year they had a Hocus Pocus palette and I think collection too, but I didn't get to purchase that collection, so I had to get this one and do a little review for you guys. So now we're about to jump into the eye tutorial. Okay guys, so to start my eyes off today, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Fur Black is Black, and it is like an emerald green shade. I wanted to try something different because I did see a couple of YouTube videos using this palette, and a lot of people are just using like the orange and the nude, so I kind of wanted to try something different. So basically I'm taking Fur Black is Black and just creating a circular shape on my eye because I think today we're going to go for a really nice cut crease. And it does look like the shade is packing on nicely, so that is a plus. So for my next shade, this is going to seem pretty weird, but I'm actually going to go in with the shade called Life Potion, and it's that burnt orange shade that I was talking to you guys about that a lot of people are using. However, I'm going to blend out the outer edges of the green with this shade, so hoping it turns out right, but I really need to add a blendable shade. now for my last shade, I'm gonna go in with All Hallows Eve to blend out my orange. Also, one important thing, because I lost some of the green color that was the original color that went down, I'm also going to go back in with that shade and just bring it out just a little bit more. Really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So for the next shade I'm going to be applying to my eye today, it is called Circle of Salt, and it looks like a emerald green like glitter shade, so I'm just going to apply that to the cut crease area. I'm gonna finish the rest of the eyes off camera, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup as well, and then I'm going to get into some of the final products, so I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so I am back, and here is basically almost the finished look. The last thing that I want to try on for you guys today is the last thing I want to try on for you guys today is the lip creams. So I think I'm going to go from lightest to darkest, just because I feel like it's always harder to get, you know, the colors off. For our first shade, I'm going to be starting with Calming Circle. Okay you guys, this is the shade Calming Circle, and it is a very true nude, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like this shade. It's very subtle. I personally would probably pair it with the chestnut lip liner or some type of brown, maybe even cork, and I think this nude would really pop. I just want to say that this formula is very soft. I don't think that I've had the lip creams from Colourpop. If I have, I really don't remember them. This is feeling very, very nice, and I don't know if it's because like my lips just aren't chapped. Definitely don't put like a colored lip gloss on your chapped lips anyways, but my point is this seems like a very nice formula and I'm digging it. So the next shade I'm going to be trying is Tonight We Fly. It is a purple shade, and it doesn't really go with my makeup, but that's okay. I just really want you guys to see the shade. Wow, I'm really shook at this shade right now. It's giving, okay? Like this one is giving, and to be honest, it's Halloween. I probably would wear this shade with this eye look, just because it's giving. I mean, like, it's dope. It's giving Wicked Witch of the West, okay? So yeah, this what is this one called? This one is Tonight We Fly. Yes, that's all I'm gonna say, because the shade is giving vamp, okay? Like, I'm really feeling it. So you guys, that last shade did stain my lips a little bit, but lucky for us, we're about to go even darker. So I'm about to try on the shade Hello Boys, and it is a very black shade. So you guys, this is the shade Hello Boys, and it's giving exactly what I thought it would give for this eye look. Originally, I planned for this to be the shade to go with my eyes, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that purple kind of took it for me. Like, I actually really did like the purple with the eyes. But yes, so I have almost finished going through all the products in this collection. However, I have one more product that I'm going to try, and it is the face stamp. So I'm going to give you guys, you know, what needs to be given by placing a little spider on my eye. Let's get into the face stamp of the spider. So I'm probably just going to apply, should I apply on one side or both sides? Like, let me see. So I put the face stamp on, and you guys, it's really cute. It comes out very pigmented. It is like the blackest of the black. It looks really good. However, the only thing is, I would say be careful when you're putting the face stamp on, because when I did put it on, a little bit of the circle, like the bottom half, got on my cheeks, so I had to like go back in with a little bit of foundation. But other than that, I think it's really cute. It's really fun. I like seeing makeup collections that have little fun things like the stamps, or I don't know, the Powerpuff Girls had like the clips. So yeah, I think it was a really good product to add into the collection. So let's review the collection really quick. Let's talk about what I liked and disliked. So I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. I personally didn't dislike anything from this collection, which is a shocker because there's usually one or two things that I don't like when I purchase an entire collection. However, I'm going to tell you guys the things that you guys can pretty much go without. So if you have a mirror, obviously, like, you don't have to buy the mirror. I just thought it was cute to have. I mean, it's Hocus Pocus. I wanted the whole thing. The only thing that I didn't get, I believe, is the candle. And I'm personally not big on buying candles online because what does it smell like? You know what I mean? Like, you just can never tell. So the second thing that I think you guys can go without, if you're just into the makeup and not really the fun part, is the face stamp. Even though it's really cute, it's super Halloween, but if you're just looking to upgrade your makeup collection, or if you just want some really pretty colors, then you can do without it. Let's talk about the Super Shock shadows. I didn't get to use them. Hopefully I will get to use them in an upcoming tutorial. I might be doing another Halloween tutorial. I don't know. I haven't really thought it through yet, which is crazy because, like I said, we're already halfway through October, so I gotta get on that. Second, the lip creams I love. Like, I would purchase all three if you can. The purple one really shocked me. I didn't think that it would be as cute as it was, but personally the purple one is my favorite, and even the nude ended up being like a nude that actually looks good on me because I'm very picky with the nudes that I buy. Yeah, it's just hard for me to find the perfect nude for me. So last but not least, the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10, just because for me it's not a palette that I can use all the time. Really good like special occasions, Halloween. There are some colors in there that, aren't necessarily Halloween, but why wouldn't you want to use your Hocus Pocus palette for Halloween? I'm just saying. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to use this palette just because the shadows are really good. Everything was really good. Like, there was nothing that I was like, I really don't like this. It was amazing. So you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys join me back for another video at a later date. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have so many videos in my mind, and I will be continuing to put videos out, hopefully once every week. Maybe one day I can get to twice a week, I'm not sure, but yeah, once a week for sure. Last but not least, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.